Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to select the stocks for tomorrow, and before that, we will discuss about the stock which we have selected today by using shooting star. So let's discuss about the stock which gives you profit or not, what was the trade, how it has happened, that we are going to discuss here and that. So yesterday we discussed about the stock which is 𝐻𝐻𝐾. So that was forming a shooting star at the topmost level or highest level, which forms a shooting star. So we are focusing for a selling entry on that particular stock around the 1100 level. So once the 1100 level, if it is breaks below the low, we are going to make a trade opportunity for a selling. But unfortunately, it never give you the opportunity by opening itself. It fallen down or gap down. So we don't have any opportunities on this stock because we didn't get it at any opportunity. But let's say in 5-minute chart, so this is what the opening. It's a big range from 1100. The high is also here 1100. There is no possibility where we can make the trade. But if you are making a trade after that 5 minutes low broken around 1084, and it was closed by 1073, some 10 points it generated profit after breaking the low. But unfortunately we don't get any opportunities in the stock, and finally the market within 2 days, so the Nifty is crossed more than 500 point, 250, almost 500 point gone. So let's say the Nifty chart also we are expecting in Nifty on daily chart. So today, as per our stock selection, this is what a dark cloud cover, but it is a gap down in Nifty in 2 days from 17968 or 17992. It fallen down big, right? So just a second, please. In 2 days, there is a 500 point drop. Let's say this 500 point up to for 8 trading session it takes to gain that 500 point, but within a 2 sessions all the gain will be dropped. All right, so and Bank Nifty also we are focusing this candle. Previously I told you that the doji at the top, how many of them watching my previous video in Bank Nifty, so which I told you again, here I am waiting for a selling opportunity, but the first 2 days it not given me opportunity around 39,000, where it is broken 39,000 yesterday. That is what last trading session, and now it is almost 800 points down from the top. So that is the reason why any candlesticks which is present at the highest level, I am focusing for a selling opportunity. When it is the lowest level, I am focusing for a buying opportunity. Here, if you are taken a trade by breaking this, it gives you some small profit. But let's check this much of down within a 2 days. So this candle will help, right? From 39,100, now it made 38,290. So almost some 800 to 900 point profit within a 2 days. Even if I buy a put option, maybe huge. So while if you finding any kind of candlesticks pattern like this, you have to track how it happened. I'm discussing about the straight Bank Nifty is going down below this level. So yesterday it broke in, and within a day, so it generate you the huge benefit. So let's there is a big information about the candlesticks pattern. So let me try with that. So here it is happening, and it was giving you such a great opportunity. But we find out some other trades by yesterday. We find Tech Mahindra that is not giving you entry opportunity, and some other stocks also we are finding out by using the candlesticks pattern. IEX, that we find out IEX, correct? So that IEX I am finding out by let's look at this. Today it forms a open high, and it down towards almost 157, almost 6 rupees. But this is also not giving you entry opportunity. We are waiting for the entry around 163.1. Market open 163. So there is no opportunity again here. 163.1 is our entry point, but market opened 163, open equal to high. Such a kind of thing it is opened today. So another missing opportunity. But if you're finding out open equal to high, there is a key. It may go down. right? So let's look at this. After this 5 minutes, it fallen down. If we are going to take a entry below that 5 minutes low, 160.95, and it within a 10 minutes it made a low of 156. After that it goes up and finally settled on the nearby low. That is what the second stock which you are taken, 𝐼EX. So what are the stocks? Tech Mahindra, 𝐼EX. These are the stocks which you are taken based on our strategy. That is what only the one stock strategy. That is what a shooting star. Like today market also supported. Most of the stocks are performed, and 𝐭𝐶L Technologies, which you have discussed about yesterday's trade, 𝐭𝐶L Technologies. We discussed about 𝐭𝐶L Tech, and that was giving you entry, right? Why? Because of that entry which you are focusing it around 972, but initially it not triggered, but again it gives me a entry opportunity at 972. It moves small and it coming down to 960. That is a great trade when 𝐻CL Tech and L&T, LTI, Larsen and Infotech. That is also not giving you entry. But yesterday we find lot more stocks, but today OpenAI market gap down and everything was going down, but this is also moves well, almost 150 points down in LTI. So this clue, one OpenAI clue, may be giving you opportunity. 𝐼EX and City Union Bank, City Union Bank also we filtered by our stock selection. That is also works good, but the risk is big. But even from 175, 74.9, it fallen down towards 171. So let's check 5-minute chart. What happened here? This is what a first 5 minutes where the low is 172.5. From it moves 169.25, and an intraday it works well, but it is a positional trade, and the candlesticks where it is from the highest and lowest level would be the positional trade. So let me discuss about stock for tomorrow. That is also working better and good. So let me try to find out the stocks for tomorrow based on our scanner and dashboard. Okay, stock selection for tomorrow. What are the stocks which we find out? I didn't get any stocks here. Let's check it out. No stocks were finding out, so we didn't get any stocks for tomorrow. Let me check it out about our scanner. Let me add the scanner. We did with a modification. Only Granulus India. That is by 3-factor. So let me go for a Granulus. GRANLUS, Granulus in a daily time frame. That is what is a shooting star. Maybe the entry opportunity looks good here, and a previous shooting star there, and it has fallen down, and the entry point for that stock, it may be 306. There is an entry point where we are going to focus for a 306, and we keep our stop loss around 314. So this is what a trade opportunity where we are going to make for tomorrow. So that is what another perfect shooting star, but it is not happening at the highest level. It is happening at middle of the trend like 𝐼EX. Okay, so let me try it out some other stock which we are filtering out by 2-factor. Let me go NTPC, Granules and Ramco Cement. I'm not going to focus it out because it's not good for a trade. NTPC, that is also forms a shooting star pattern. So where we are going to focus it out around 156 and 159 would be your stop loss. Only 2 stocks, one is NTPC and Granules. Let me check it out tomorrow how the stock will perform. So these are based on the stock selection which is shooting star. Only 2 stocks we find out, and as per our intraday and positional trading scanner, we didn't find out any stocks. Let me track these 2 stocks for a tomorrow's trade. We'll get some good profit. And thank you for watching this. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.